Y'all ready for a fishing adventure? Well, evening fishing adventure. I'm only gonna be able to do any recording, videoing until it gets too dark. But we're out here at Versailles State Park, and we're gonna try our hand at fishing again for the evening. Doesn't this lake look delightful? It's like the fish are calling our names. All right, let me get geared up. I'm gonna run that long intro, and let's get started. Holy, I tell you, we have way too much stuff. Well, here we are, guys. We're going to try to see what we can do and stay as late as we can, and we're just going to make an evening of it. I don't expect anything to start biting for at least another hour, though. It's usually the way it works up here. That was crazy. Oh, my Lord. Okay, I sat down here, not thinking anything's going to bite, and I had a massive bite. You know, immediately I'm like, it's gotta be a carp. I was like, it's gotta be a carp. Start pulling it in, and when I was getting halfway in, I was like, oh man, it's a turtle. So I got the turtle in. Angie was getting some worms, so I had to get needle nose pliers out to get the hook out of the turtle's mouth. And as I was doing that, I knocked everything over on our portable table. I tripped over this fishing pole. It was a mess. So guys, I'm gonna run that footage of me catching that turtle. Damn turtle, I think. Oh crap. Turtle. Easy boy, easy buddy, easy. Easy, 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 easy. Oh, you're just trying to bite me every which way you can. Hold on. They say when you have nothing but troubles right before you get ready to do something, usually the rest of the night's good luck. Well, this thing's acting up too, my GoPro 9. So maybe I have good luck. Well, I threw my line out there again. Nailed it. Didn't bring this one in. Now I'm going to fear it's a damn turtle every time. I don't like catching turtles. Do you all like catching turtles? I don't. Sometimes when you fish, you feel like, am I fishing with a whole school of turtles? I don't know what it is this year. It's just like we've had very good luck catching them. I know I asked on the last clip, the last vlog entry, who out there likes catching them? Not me. Not me at all. I'm always afraid I'm going to hurt them when I take the hook. When I take the hook out, I'm always afraid I'm going to hurt the turtles. But I tell you something. Learned the other day, well yesterday, that we have alligator turtles.
Alligator snapper turtles.
alligator snapper turtles here. That's right, you guys seen that clip, didn't you? That's right, because that's how I ended it, I think. Alright guys, I'm going to get back to fishing, and the sun is beneath the clouds. Oh, I can't wait. I might take the GoPro off and put him to rest tonight. It'd be easier to do it with this. We'll see what happens. Now the next adventure, we're thinking about going to the Oxbow and fish. We're going to give it a shot. Maybe tomorrow evening. I love Versailles State Park, but I want to try another place that's somewhat local. It being a Saturday night, there ain't many people here. There's a few up yonder. That's about it. We want to give her a shot at the Oxbow. See what we can do there. See if they like our dough balls. I was going to bring corn with me tonight. The only kind of corn I had at home was cream of corn. I don't think that's going to work. Do you? I don't think it will. Guys, I am burning up with this freaking do-rag on my head. But that's the only way I could keep this on my head, because if I get a suntan, how to get, you know. But it is so freaking hot. I'm crying again, ain't I? Okay, I stopped being a crybaby. Oh, time is winding down a little bit. It's only a matter of time before I take this off my head, and look at this.
What the heck?
That was cool.
That
That was up. There goes them. Watch them. Oh, there's a dog. That's why.
That was scary.
Some girl with a dog scaring all the geese. That was spooky.
Me.
It was only, what, about 10 feet over our head?
If that.
That was cool. That was cool. And I got it on footage too. Yes! You guys ever want to keep your waters cold when you fish or whatever? I'm not a sponsor, but you should pick up one of these bags. I got this in the Walgreens.
It's Arctic Zone.
What kind is it?
Arctic Zone.
Arctic Zone. It works. I'm not a sponsor, obviously. I don't have that many subscribers or get that many views, so you should know I'm not a sponsor. But it keeps your drinks cold. And a hot day like today, a good cold drink goes a long way. Alright guys, I'm going to retire the GoPro for now. It's starting to get a little dark. These things don't do well after dark. But we're going to give it, I'll tell you what, let's give it 10 more minutes. Then I'm going to retire it, because as soon as I retire it, I'm going to get a fish. But that's okay, because I got this camera to videotape after I catch it. But I like watching myself catch fish. No. Or turtles. Yeah, turtles. Okay, a little bit ago when I got the geese flying over, let me explain what happened now. There's a lady walking her dog, and she let her dog chase after these geese purposely. It was purposely done. We've seen people with kids let their kids chase the geese. We've seen other people with dogs let their dogs chase the geese. I mean, this is the geese's home here, folks. It's not right. It was kind of cool them flying overhead, but it also made me feel bad too. Alright guys, I haven't taken this off my head yet, because I don't know what it is. As soon as I do, I'm gonna get the bite I need. Or the bite I want. Just saying. Actually, I think I got that on footage, that lady doing that. I think I did. Alright guys, it's time. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. There it goes. Alright, time to take this thing off my head. And the other thing off my head. Instantly, it's going to be cool down. Oh, my bald head can breathe now. Oh, yes. Now I'm going to start catching them. I know I will. Well, it looks like we're getting family to join us tonight. Now, if I don't get to finish this out tonight, I'll leave a closure tomorrow when it's daylight, because when it gets dark, my cameras do no good. And we'll try to get pictures if we catch anything. But guys, I'm just going to sit back, relax. Not so much worried about doing vlog entries. Enjoy the evening with my beautiful, awesome wife. You think I want something, don't you?
You always want something.
I'm hungry.
What would you like? A Got stickers in there.
I bet you dirty-minded people thought I was going to say something else, didn't you? Don't lie. Alright everybody, it's going to be a small video today because it's getting dark. If I catch any fish, I do a vlog entry in the morning. But it's getting ready to get dark and I'm going to put the camera away and spend the evening with my wife fishing. But sometimes I have short videos. There's one before this, I guarantee that's a long one. I haven't done no editing yet, but I could tell as many clips. Oh yeah, it's long. That's what happens when you have anxiety. So guys, I'm going to spend the evening down here on this beautiful lake here in Versailles State, Indiana. Or Versailles, Indiana. And fish the night away with this beautiful person right here. Hi, beautiful. So if I catch anything, I make a vlog entry in the morning. If not, we'll catch you on the next video, the next adventure. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you on the next adventure. And hopefully, more than likely, it's going to be a whole different place to fish. It's going to be the Oxbow. And I will videotape everything there. Everything. Try to anyway. We'll see you then. Or in the morning.